Hello, how are you guys? So in today's video, we are going to discuss how we can use a proxy in a Selenium Python. Okay, so first of all, I have created a small script in order to see what we are going to get. So first of all, in this video, I have purchased a small amount of proxy service using from a proxy IP royal proxy. So here you can see I have purchased a residential proxy of 1 GB for a testing purpose. So currently here, if you go to dashboard and go to residential proxy and scroll down, I can see here is my URL. Okay, so it contains four things: one, the username, the password, the host, and the port. So you can find it over here as well: proxy, host, username, port, and password. Okay, so for this video, we will going to use IT Royal Proxy, right? So I was facing a lot of issues uh, while testing how I can use a proxy. It was my question for so long, how I can use proxy in Selenium for Chrome version. Okay, so many times I used proxy in request in Scrappy. That was easy, but for Selenium it was a bit difficult. So for this, let me explain what we need to get started. First of all, we need a WebDriver manager, Selenium, and then a time we can import a time. Okay, so we need two libraries: WebDriver manager and a Selenium. Okay, and then I have used the URL of ipinfo.io to see what we are going to get. So I can remove it over here because we already are using a URL of this variable. So I can remove this line, and then the proxy URL which we have extracted, copied from here. This is our proxy URL, and then options is equal to webdriver.from options as it is, and then I have added the argument for proxy server is equal to proxy URL, then a service account. As you know, in Selenium latest version, we don't put the path to exe Chrome driver.exe file. Instead, we use a service account with Chrome driver manager. So it's a better choice. Then we are configuring a driver object with these attributes: service is equal to service and options is equal to options. So let's see how and what we are going to get. So let's run it, this file. After saving, I'm going to run it. So as you can see, it is going to get some error regarding web page, but this is not the case, because if I go to this page manually, I am able to get the results. Like for example, here you can see I am getting the results, and I'm currently in Karachi, Pakistan, so it is showing the my IP. So for example, if the problem is related to the Selenium, because as IP says, it is we can't use proxy with Selenium. Instead, for the use of proxy, what we have to do is to use the Selenium wire. Like in this video, we have to import driver from Selenium wire instead of Selenium. So I'm commenting out this line and commenting out this line here. So now to use a proxy in Selenium wire, what I'm going to do further is to comment out this line and uncomment this line. So now let me explain to you further. What we are going to do is to use a Selenium wire instead of Selenium. Okay, and then in options we are providing it a dictionary object of proxy with HTTP is equal to proxy URL and HTTPS is equal to proxy URL. This is very simple, but here we have to do some bit small task. Instead of options, we have to use, as we are using Selenium wire, so So we will use Selenium wire options. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so now when I run this script, it will go to work. So let's see. After saving the file, I'm running, and and there we go. As you can see, this time it is showing us a better result. So that means the proxy is working. So currently you can see I was in Karachi, but it is showing Moscow. So if I cancel it and run it again, you will going to see the proxy is gonna change. So let's run it again and see. So basically, I was facing a lot of issues. How I was searching a lot. How I can use the Selenium with the Chrome. How I can integrate Proxy with Selenium. So I was facing a lot of issues, but I have found a solution. So I thought I should share a video so that everyone will benefit. So this time I am Samarinda. So I don't know where it is. It is in Indonesia. Oh, so this is everything for this video. You can use any website which you are going to scrape. You can continue from here. So it is just an example how we can integrate Selenium with how we can integrate proxy in Selenium. So thank you very much for this video. Do not forget to share and subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you so much.